Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide autoplay from control panel on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide autoplay from control panel on Windows 11 computer, go to search. In search type control panel, click on control panel. On view by, category is selected and select here large icons, and here look, autoplay option is showing here, and you can configure autoplay from here. Now I am going to hide this autoplay option from control panel. Close control panel. In search type GP edit, click on edit group policy. Under user configuration, expand administrative templates and click on control panels, and here you will find a setting hide specified control panel items, and now it's not configured. Just right click on it and click on edit, click on enabled, and you will find here list of disallowed control panel items and a show button. Click on show button here. Under value, type Microsoft dot autoplay, type as it is M capital, A capital and P capital. Now click on OK. Now click on apply, then click on OK. Now close group policy editor, right click on start menu, click on run. In run type gp update / force to update group policy immediately, and click on OK. Updating policy. Now if you need to log out your computer and then log in again, click on start menu and click on your user icon and then click on sign out. After login, I'm going to check. Click on search, and in search type control panel. Click on control panel and look, autoplay is not showing in my control panel. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.